how to factory reset the Ring doorbell. So first things first, you're going to take it off the wall and you're going to remove both these screws right here. So one right here and one right here, and you're going to do it with this tool. Once those have been removed, which I went ahead and already removed it to make the video quicker, is you'll go ahead and take this back plate off right here. After you take the back plate off, you're actually going to hold this orange button for 15 seconds. So I'll go ahead and start holding it. But one of the things that you want to make sure is before you do this, you want to make sure that it has power. So by clicking this button, you're going to see if it has power. If it doesn't, you go ahead and add some batteries or get it charged up if that's how you do it. Now, I'm going to flip it back here to the back, and I've held it here for about 15 seconds. And I'll go ahead and remove that button, and you'll see a blue light flash here. Once that blue light flashes, we know that it's been reset. And from here, you'll be able to sync it back up. So quick, easy steps there. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll try to help you out. And here on the top, you'll see a playlist for the Ring doorbells as well. So appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe.